Hirap ka na ba sa acne at sensitive skin ka pa? Mukhang ito na kailangan mo.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlogan. Ayun, so kahagising ko lang. But unbox with me. So, I have with me right now is my skincare. So finally, nakapag-order na ako ng aking complete set ng aking skincare. Ang dami kasing nagtatanong kung ano bang skincare ko. So right now, I'm not gonna gatekeep it anymore. Ayan, so this is not sponsored, okay? Pero yan, let's unbox it right now. Ayan. Quick kwento. I discovered this skincare is during pandemic, I think. And sobrang sensitive kasi ng skin ko. And sobrang hirap akong maghanap ng skincare mismo talaga. Ang dami kasi reviews ito during that time. And ayun, so nakikita ko na siya 2019, pero hindi ko pa siya pinapansin. Pero yun nga, ang daming reviews. Sabi nila it's a Korean product and it's good for the people who have sensitive skin. So yun. And then tinry ko siya. Meron siyang dito yung trial pack for 1 month. So yun yung good thing for some by me. Kasi ang galing. They have this trial pack para hindi ka bumili ng mga malalaki katulad nito. So that you will try it first if it's hiyang with you or not. This is the acne foam, toner, serum, and then the miracle cream. May freebies pa siya. Ayan.
Okay, let's do it. Alam niyo ba kung bakit sobrang effective to sa akin? Because it has AHA, BHA, and PHA. AHA is alpha hydroxy acid where it removes dead skin cells on the surface. So pang brighten and for dry or dull skin siya. Next is BHA, beta hydroxy acid, goes deeper to unclog pores and control oil. So pang acne and blackheads siya. And next is PHA, polyhydroxy acid, where it is a gentle exfoliation plus hydration. So ibig sabihin, perfect talaga siya for sensitive skin. Plus, meron pa siyang tea tree water, niacinamide and Centella asiatica.
Haba ng explanation na yun. So mag-check out ka na ha. Bye!